Hey, if you think a 60-gallon tank can't become a vibrant underwater paradise, then you're in for a surprise. Neolamprologus CaudoPunctatus isn't just another fish. It's the key to creating a stunning aquatic masterpiece. And here's why. Imagine a tank where bold colors, fascinate behaviors, and natural beauty come together to create a mesmerizing aquatic ecosystem. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Neolamprologus caudopunctatus, a fish that not only transforms your aquarium visually, but also brings balance and personality to your setup. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist or just getting started, this guide will show you everything you need to know to turn your 60-gallon tank into a paradise. Hey, let's face it, not every fish can thrive in a 60-gallon tank while also enhancing its aesthetics. Many aquarists struggle with finding species that are both visually stunning and easy to care for. Some fish are too aggressive, others are too dull, and some require water parameters that are just too complicated to maintain. So how do you strike that perfect balance? That's where Neolamprologus caudopunctatus comes in. This little known gem from Lake Tanganyika has the personality, beauty, and resilience to solve these challenges and more. So native to Lake Tanganyika, this species adapted to thrive in stable alkaline waters. Its sleek torpedo-shaped body features a shimmering metallic silver with hints of gold and blue, and the distinctive black spot near its caudal fin gives it its name. These fish are highly social and form fascinating hierarchies, making them a joy to observe. Tank size: a 60-gallon tank provides ample space for a small colony while allowing room for aquascaping creativity. Water parameters: maintain a pH between 7.8 and 9.0 with a temperature of 75 to 80. Hard water is a must to mimic their natural environment. Substrate: use sand or fine gravel to replicate the lake bed of Tanganyika. Avoid sharp substrates that could harm their delicate fins. And decor: incorporate rocks and caves for shelter. These fish love exploring and need spaces to establish territories. Neolamprologus caudopunctatus are omnivores with a preference for protein-rich foods. Provide a mix of high-quality pellets, frozen foods like brine shrimp and bloodworms, and occasional vegetable matter such as spirulina flakes. Avoid overfeeding to maintain water quality. These fish are moderately territorial, but not overly aggressive, making them excellent for community tanks. Ideal tank mates include other Tanganyikan species like Juliodachromis and Sucrochromis. Avoid overly aggressive cichlids or overly shy species that might get stressed. One of the most rewarding aspects of keeping Neolamprologus caudopunctatus is their breeding behavior. Provide plenty of caves or overturned flower pots or spawning. Once a pair forms, they'll defend their territory fiercely, but won't disturb the rest of the tank much. Watch as the parents carefully tend to their eggs and fry, a behavior that never ceases to amaze. A well aquascaped tank not only enhances the beauty of Neolamprologus caudopunctatus, but also support their natural behaviors. Use rock formations to create territorial boundaries and hiding spots, and add hardy plants like Anubias and Vallisneria, which can tolerate the hard alkaline water of Tanganyikan setup. Now, here's the real magic of Neolamprologus CaudoPunctatus. They're not just fish. They're architects of their environment. Watching them dig, rearrange substrate, and interact with their tank mates creates a dynamic, ever-changing underwater world. This isn't just a fish tank. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that you'll never get tired of watching. So whether you're looking to add a splash of personality to your tank, or explore fascinating behaviors, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature, Neolamprologus CaudoPunctatus is the perfect choice. With the right care, they'll reward you with a tank that's not only visually stunning, but also teeming with life and activity. Want more tips like this? Hey, hit the subscribe button or watch the next video. Keep leveling up your aquarium game, and I will see you there.